Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and then here swipe down again. This will extend the list of visible toggles and also reveal the screen recorder. Here, just press on it. First time around, you will need to give it permissions to a couple of things. So just select while using the app. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the microphone as I just don't want to record it. And as you can see right away, it starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the phone, as long as you don't open up some kind of DRM protected application, which sometimes these devices come pre-installed with this garbage, and decide to change settings or change permissions for what you can record on your own device without your permission, which is just a blatant just FU. But here I don't see any kind of application like that. Typically it's ones that require subscriptions because obviously you know they want you to pay monthly subscription rather than just be able to, I don't know, have any kind of rights. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here to stop it, and this will automatically save it to your gallery. So we're gonna open that up just in a second. So you actually find it. I think it's going to be up right here. So the easiest way to find your screen recordings right now and later on down the line will be by navigating to albums and then either screenshots or videos. So I'm gonna open up screenshots, and as you can see it's here as well. And it automatically starts playing back. I'm gonna skip forward. Okay, I'm actually doing something here, so you can automatically see the recording. So there we go. That's basically how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.